So I'm going to be doing my first ever YouTube video, or I deleted my other ones because I didn't like them. But I'm going to be solving a 2x2. I'm going to mix it up just randomly. I'm not even going to look. Okay, so do you guys think that's good? Comment down below. Unless my comments are disabled. They might. But, okay. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Let me just look. I just started learning how to do it 2 days ago, so don't say if I'm slower or something in the comments. So, okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And there it is. A solved 2x2. Well, yeah, a 2x2. Solved. I just started the other day and learned the last piece of the algorithm today, so I may have choked a little, so don't blame. And yeah, that's it. I've solved it a few times today, but at school my friends were amused. So I'm just gonna call myself good. And my lowest time was 32 seconds, so I'm calling myself on my way. And tomorrow I'll make a video on my 3x3. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.